Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials, sign into your Google account and open a code editor. Create an index, HTML and styles, CSS now and sketch the form structure, labels, inputs, and a submit button. Once done, write semantic HTML, form element with action equals, hash, and method equals post for testing. Add input types, text, email, radio, checkbox, text area. Make sure to include name attributes for each input, so later mapping or scripting becomes straightforward and reliable. You now flesh out the HTML structure and accessibility. Group related inputs in field set and add legend text so screen readers understand sections. Use label elements tightly coupled with input IDs so clicking text focuses the field. Add attributes like required, pattern, min length, and max length to offload basic validation to the browser. Once finished, create ID that reflect field purposes for easier CSS and later Google Forms mapping or JS processing. When you post data you style the form with CSS. Apply a responsive grid or flexbox, define input padding, border radius, and clear focus states for accessibility. Make sure colors meet contrast requirements and validation messages are visible. Once satisfied, host the static files on GitHub pages or your server, or embed the HTML snippet into a site. Finally, test submissions. Verify required fields trigger, pattern validation works, and data posts correctly. Troubleshooting tip: if submissions fail, check console network requests and CORS or action endpoint configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.